Okay, in this section we're going to be looking at proving triangles are similar or polygons are similar based upon different theorems. So if the corresponding parts of polygons are congruent, meaning that they have the same measure, then the polygons are similar. So again, we're looking, starting here, we're looking at angles being similar or the ratio of side lengths being equal. Again, we're going to go KL over QR, which is 4 over 6, which is equal to 2/3. We're going to go LJ over RP, which is 8 over 12, which is equal to 2/3. Finally, we're going to go JK over PQ, which is 6 over 9, which is 2/3. And then to write the statement of proportionality, again, we're going to have KL over QR is equal to LJ over RQ. Make that RP. Can't read my own writing. And then JK over PQ. Alright, so all we're going to do here is we're going to find a ratio and then find the value of x that makes that ratio true. So we're going to look at 20 over 24, which is df over mp. I can divide those both by 4, and I get 5 over 6. So we're going to multiply 30 times 5 over 6, and we're going to get 25. X equals 25. Now, the book shows different methods. If you look in the Canvas course materials, you'll see different methods. I find it easier just to find the ratio and multiply by the ratio. They do a multiplying and finding things like that. Alright, so here we have two similar triangles, and we want to find the length of PS, which is the altitude uh, of triangle TPR, or angle TPR. So we're going to add up the lengths of both sides. So we're going to have 12 on this side and 16 on this side, meaning that we have a 3/4 ratio. So now we're going to multiply 20 by our 3/4 ratio, and we're going to get PS is equal to 15 units. So alright, so in this we're introducing the perimeters of similar polygons theorem. All it states is if you look at the perimeter of similar polygons has the same ratio as the sides of the polygons. So here we're looking at having a swimming pool built similar to an Olympic swimming pool, but the side is only going to be 40 instead of 50 long. So we have a 4/5 ratio. If I add up the sides of the Olympic swimming pool, 2 times the length and 2 times the width, I get 150 for its perimeter. I multiply that by 4/5, and I'm going to get the smaller swimming pool that the city wants to build. It's going to have a perimeter of 120 with side lengths of 40 and 20 and 40 and 20. Here we're looking at having 2 gazebos built, so we want to look at the similarity of AB to FG, which is 10 over 15, which is 2/3. So now we know that AB is equal to 10. Actually, let's find the perimeter of the larger gazebo. The larger gazebo is so now we find that add up the sides of gazebo B and find the perimeter is 69. So we're going to multiply 69 by 2/3 to find the perimeter of gazebo A, and that is going to be 46, and it's going to be meters. Also, our x value is going to be 2/3 of 18, which is going to be 12. Alright, so now we have areas of similar polygons are also has the same proportional ratio as the sides of the polygons. So we know that polygon on the right is 3 times larger than the polygon on the left, and the area of the polygon on the left is 84 meters squared, and we're going to multiply that by 3, and we're going to end up with 252 meters squared. Lastly, wanting to look to see if these two polygons are similar, and what they actually end up doing is they actually translate and shrink the polygons and show you that the angles are not congruent.